In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira software and Confluence together. If you want to make your project documentation more connected to your actual work, combining these two tools is a really useful approach. Confluence is great for creating notes, plans, and documentation, while Jira software is where tasks, tickets, and project tracking usually happen. When you use them together, it becomes much easier to keep information in one place and give your team better visibility. To get started, go to Confluence and open the page where you want to add Jira content. This can be an existing page or a new one, depending on how you want to organize your documentation. The key idea here is that you'll be inserting Jira items directly into a Confluence page, so make sure you're in editing mode and ready to add content. Once you're on the page, type a / and then type Jira. In Confluence, the / command is a quick way to bring up different elements and integrations you can insert into your page. As you type Jira, Confluence will show you Jira-related options. This is the fastest way to access the integration without needing to search through menus manually, and it helps streamline the editing process. After that, select the Jira element you want to use, depending on what Confluence shows you. This could include different types of Jira content or embeds that help display project information inside your page. Choose the option that best matches what you're trying to present. For example, you might want to show issue details, link project work, or surface Jira data in a way that supports meeting notes, planning pages, or team documentation. At this stage, it's helpful to think about the purpose of the page. If the page is meant for planning, choose the Jira element that gives a quick overview of work. If it's for detailed documentation, select the option that best supports context and visibility. Keeping the page clear and organized will make it easier for anyone reading it later. That's all it takes to begin using Jira software and Confluence together. By adding Jira elements directly into Confluence, you create a stronger connection between documentation and execution. This makes collaboration smoother, reduces the need to switch between tools constantly, and helps keep everyone aligned on the work that matters.